Get ready to say ciao to Tuscany. This place is like straight out of a dream. Rolling hills, vineyards that go on forever, and the cutest little towns you can imagine. Think amazing food, incredible wine, and scenery that will take your breath away. Pack your cutest outfits and get ready for the ultimate Tuscan adventure. First things first, let's talk about where to go in Tuscany. This region is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Obviously, you have to hit up the Leaning Tower of Pisa. It's iconic and perfect for the gram. Snap that classic photo and marvel at this architectural wonder. Next up, Siena. This medieval town is stunning with cobblestone streets and architecture that will transport you back in time. Wander through the historic center and feel the history come alive. Get lost in the alleys, grab some gelato, and soak up the atmosphere. Every corner has a story to tell, and every bite of gelato is a taste of heaven. For art lovers, Florence is calling your name. This city is a living museum brimming with masterpieces. The Duomo, Michelangelo's David, the Uffizi Gallery, it's an art overload in the best way possible. Spend hours, if not days, exploring the artistic treasures. Tuscany is also about hidden gems like the Val d'Orcia with its rolling hills, cypress trees, and charming farmhouses. This picturesque landscape is perfect for a peaceful retreat. And don't miss San Gimignano. This hilltop town is straight out of a fairy tale. Its medieval towers and enchanting streets will make you feel like you've stepped into another world. So pack your bags and get ready to explore the magic of Tuscany. A trip to Italy isn't complete without indulging in the food, and Tuscany takes it to a whole other level. The region is renowned for its culinary traditions that have been passed down through generations, making every meal an unforgettable experience. We're talking fresh pasta, juicy steaks, and the most amazing wine you'll ever taste. The flavors are so rich and authentic, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time to a simpler, more delicious era. You have to try pappardelle al cinghiale, a wild boar ragu that will rock your world. This dish is a true testament to the rustic and hearty flavors that define Tuscan cuisine. For chilly nights, nothing beats a warm bowl of ribollita, a hearty bread and vegetable soup. It's the perfect comfort food, rich in flavor and history, often enjoyed by families gathered around the table. Meat lovers can't miss the bistecca alla fiorentina, a massive T-bone steak grilled to perfection. This iconic dish is a carnivore's dream, showcasing the simplicity and quality of Tuscan ingredients. Tuscany is home to some of the best vineyards in the world, so book a wine tasting experience and indulge in Chianti Classico or Brunello di Montalcino. The rolling hills and picturesque landscapes make the wine taste even better. And don't forget to snap some pics of the vineyards. They're seriously Instagram worthy. The stunning views and lush vineyards provide the perfect backdrop for your travel memories. Now it's time to experience the beauty of Tuscany on the open road. Rent a car, a convertible, obviously, and get ready for some epic drives. The Chianti wine region is a must-do. Picture this, you cruising through rolling hills covered in vineyards, the sun shining down, the wind in your hair. Every turn you take is another postcard-perfect moment with cypress-lined roads, fields of sunflowers, and charming villages. Just remember to take it slow, enjoy the scenery, and embrace the Italian way of life, dolce far niente, or the sweetness of doing nothing. After all that exploring, you're going to need a fabulous place to rest your head. Tuscany has accommodation options for every taste and budget. Experience staying in a luxurious villa in the countryside with private pools and stunning views. For something more authentic, an agriturismo is the way to go, working farms converted into charming guest houses. And for city lovers, there are chic boutique hotels in Florence, Siena, and other historic towns. No matter where you stay, make sure you have a comfy bed, a stunning view, and a glass of local wine in hand. You're probably wondering when's the best time to visit Tuscany. It's a question many travelers ask, and the answer can depend on what kind of experience you're looking for. Tuscany is amazing year-round, but there are some things to keep in mind to make the most of your trip. For sunshine and warm weather, summer is the time to go. The days are long and perfect for exploring, but it can get crowded and hot, especially in popular spots. For a more laid-back vibe, spring and fall are both gorgeous times to visit. The weather is pleasant and the crowds are smaller, making it easier to enjoy the beauty of Tuscany. The countryside bursts with color, wildflowers in the spring, golden vineyards in the fall. Each season offers its own unique charm and stunning landscapes. And if you're a foodie, don't miss truffle season in the fall. It's a culinary delight that adds a special flavor to your trip. Hunting for these black diamonds in the Tuscan hills is an unforgettable experience. It's a chance to connect with nature and enjoy one of Tuscany's most prized delicacies. And there you have it! Your ultimate guide to experiencing the magic and charm of Tuscany. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, there's so much to discover. delicious food to breathtaking scenery, Tuscany has something for everyone to enjoy. Start planning your dream Italian escape today and make unforgettable memories. Ciao for now and happy travels. Until we meet again.